Alright, so we've got engine running. Nothing really much has changed here since our spitter spark. What we've done is put in new spark plugs, new wires, and a new cap and a new rotor. That's it. We have now filled the cooling system with the old hoses. It currently is not leaking. That is our drips from when we filled it up. And we still have a gravity fuel tank on here and a couple of manual chokes, manual to choke it, but the enrichment levers are working to get it started. Let's go around to our gauges. You can see we have a long way to go with this project. We are running at about 60, 70 PSI. Right now we are about 1600 RPM. We were about 2400 before. Voltmeter looks like, that voltmeter is at my temperature. I don't even know. That's water temperature, so I'm getting hot, which is good if that's working. And I don't know what, that says oil as well. So I got 2 oil. My ammeter's doing nothing. My car's off the ground. Speedometer is working. It's turning the wheels about 2.5 miles an hour, just drag on the clutch in neutral. So we're going to try to idle this thing down and let it get warm for us. See how it does. Alright, we're at about 195 degrees. Let's see what our idle speed is. Here, we're at about 195. We are idling lower now. Our idle speed is just over 1,000 RPM. Our oil pressure has dropped down to about 40, 35, 40. Let's see what our throttle response is here. So we've got good throttle response. We've got a coolant leak somewhere way up high. We think it's a thermostat housing gasket. It's a little hard to tell. We're gonna get we'll get a new thermostat. I've got all new hoses. I'll get new gaskets. Not gonna do the water pump right away. We'll see if we can get it with that. And we got a few more tune-up items to put on the thing, but boy, that's pretty good so far. We're feeling pretty good about this. Time to spend a little bit more money on it. It lives again. It's been 40 years. About time.